Hi makers, this is Mantas from Totem, and in this video we're gonna take a look at Totem XL Maker Kit. This kit comes in two boxes, so let's start with the bigger one. First thing we notice inside, Totem booklet. Here you will find all the part list, how to use Totem tools, Totem hints and tips, and some basic connections. Next thing, compartment box. Notice that it's empty and all the parts are packed separately, so you can design the layout of your box according to your own needs. For base structure material, boards comes in 10 by 10 centimeters, strip brackets comes in 20, and beams cuts comes in 40. Next box, tools. Totem parts are cuttable, so all the necessary tools are included. Here's how it looks like when you set them up. Beam cutter, board cutter, and magnetic screwdriver. So have fun building, and for more details visit totemaker.net.